Hey guys, it's Jill, and today I'm reviewing the first ever Glimzy subscription box. Glimzy was started by college students at the University of Michigan, and it's completely women-led, which is actually really impressive. These girls are in college and they've already started a business, and what's even more interesting is they're already supported by the co-founder of Sigma Beauty, which you know is a very big makeup brand. In fact, back in March, they had their launch party at the Sigma Beauty boutique at the Mall of America. Right now, they have one box available, which is the box I'm going to be showing you today. It's their birthday bash box. It was their first one, and it retails for $25. But later this May, they're going to be starting their bi-monthly subscription box, so you'll get a box every other month, which will be $29.99, and each box will have a value of at least $125. And each product is full size. You can use code Jillian5 at checkout to get $5 off as well as free shipping. So your products come in this little white box, and inside, and I think this is really cool, it comes with this postcard that tells you the products and what they do and how much they usually cost. And this is really nice because whenever I get in subscription boxes, the first thing I do is Google each of the products, and I'll probably still do that, but it's nice to know what they think you should use these products for. And I really like knowing the price because it tells me whether or not this box is worth it. 3 out of 5 of these products actually cost $20 or more. And with my $5 discount code, the box is $20. So for the price of one of these products, you're getting all 5 of these, which that's pretty good. Also, they give you this little Glimzy sticker, which I'm going to put on the back of my computer. So the 5 products in their birthday bash box are the Wander Beauty Extended Stay Hydrating Mask, the Balm Cosmetics Smoke Balm Volume Number 4 eyeshadow palette. It's a triplet, so it has 3 eyeshadows in it. And then this Sigma Beauty brush. I've never tried a brush by Sigma because I'm such a Morphe fan, but I know they have really great brushes, so I'm very excited about this. So it has the Cella Brow Cream and then the Cella Highlighter Stick. And these 2 products you can customize at checkout, so you can choose your skin tone and you can choose your eyebrow hair color. So the first product that I'm going to try is the Wander Beauty Face Mask. And this claims to be a hydrating mask. And we know I have trouble with things that are hydrating. They actually end up drying me out. But we're going to see. With skincare though, I can't use it once and know if I like it or not. So I'm going to use this throughout the week. And by the time I have this video posted, I'll have a good idea of if I like the product or not. And I'll post it on my Instagram story. So this is usually $38 and the box itself is $25. And again, with the $5 discount code, it's $20. So just with this product, you're already getting your money's worth. And the directions say to apply a generous layer and gently massage into skin using circular motions, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Ooh, it's a pretty color. It's like a light pink. Usually masks are really thick, but this is like a gel. Okay, so that's not what I expected it to be at all. I thought it was going to be like a thick like layer mask, but it's not. It's a clear gel. And so that's really interesting. I've never really used something like this. It feels like a moisturizer, and on the skin it feels like a moisturizer, but I guess it's a mask. So I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes and then let you know my first thoughts. But I think I'm really gonna like this because it's clear. I can sleep in it. It's not gonna get all over my bed. It smells nice, but not strong. And I just really like the texture of it. Okay. So it's been 10 minutes since I put the mask on, and to wash it off, I just splashed my face with water and then used a towel to kind of make sure I got any residue. And now my skin feels really bouncy and glowy. So the next product I'm gonna use is the Cella Beautiful Eyebrow Cream. This retails for $26, so just like the last product, it costs more than the box does. Oh, I really like this. Okay. So there's an eyebrow brush on one end, and I guess on the other end, yeah, there's a brow pomade inside. So I'm just gonna lightly fill them in like I usually do. Oh, the color's a really good match. And like I said earlier, you can choose your color at checkout based on your hair color. So my first thoughts on this product is that the pomade is super creamy. It's a great color match for blondes, and I really like the product. But the eyebrow brush on the other side, it's really nice and would be perfect on the go, and it's definitely good enough. But there are other eyebrow brushes that I think I would rather use. Also, it doesn't have a spoolie, which makes it kind of hard because I think you should always brush out your eyebrows after you fill them in. But the product itself is really nice. I really like it. And on the go, this brush would be perfect. Moving on to the next Cella product, this is their highlighter crayon. And this is the one product I'm not so sure how to use, but I'm really excited about it. There was a scene in The Bachelor a couple weeks ago where Cassie, the girl who ended up winning, was doing her makeup. And I think it was like an eyeliner pencil, or maybe it was a highlighter stick. I don't really know. But it was a nude color, and she was doing it on the inner corners of her eyes. So she was highlighting her inner corners, which is normal, but she was doing it with a matte stick, which I thought was really cool. And it's something that people do. It's not like something new, but I thought it was really smart because her eyes always looked really like doughy and like beautiful, and it really drew the attention like into her eyes, and you could see it as soon as she did it. And I was really amazed. I was like, I need to find a product that can do it. And so whenever I got this box in, I was like, oh my gosh, this is exactly what I wanted. So I'm not really sure how I'm gonna use this. I might use it twice and just see which way I like better. First I need to prime my eyes, but I think I'm just gonna put it on the inner corners before I start eyeshadow. So I guess I'm just gonna take the crayon and put a little bit on the inner corners of my eyes, and then later, after foundation and the rest of my face makeup, I'll probably do it again. Oh, it is pigmented. So moving on to the last two products, I have the Sigma brush and the Balm Cosmetics little eyeshadow palette. This palette's really beautiful. It has 3 eyeshadows in it. And the first one is Striking, which is like a shimmery plum. And then the next one is Luminous, which is a matte brown shade. It seems to be matte. It might be satin, but I'm pretty sure it's matte. Finally, we have Smoking, which is like a shimmery champagne pink. Today, I'm just doing a super natural eye. I've been loving like natural dewy makeup lately, and so I guess I'm gonna stick with that. I think I'm gonna go into Luminous first and just start to build up my crease. Oh, it definitely has a lot of fallout. I don't know if you can see that. And again, fallout, I've said this in videos before, fallout's not something that bothers me, but I know a lot of people like to know that. Next, I think I'm gonna use the Sigma brush with the color Striking, which is the purple plummy shade, and start to build up on the outer corners of my eye. Okay, this brush seems to pick up the product nicely. And by the way, this is the Sigma eye shading brush in E55. I'm just gonna start lightly packing that on the outside of my lid. My eyes kind of get buggy whenever I put dark eyeshadows towards the front of them. I still do it sometimes. It tends to look better if I keep it light towards my nose. So I ended up taking the shade further into my inner corner as I usually do, and I'm happy I did. I really like it. I get really scared to use dark colors like this in shimmer shades, but I really like it. So next I'm just gonna take Smoking with my finger and start to highlight towards the inner corner. Ooh. Oh, I don't think I like that. Okay. I'm doing it to the other side just so it matches. Yeah, no. Yeah, okay, that just like ruined what I have going on here. So I'm gonna go back with Striking and fix what I just did. So Smoking is definitely very pigmented, but it gave a really weird little cast whenever I put it on my inner corner just because it is so striking. And so I think the best thing to do is to take it lightly on a brush, not my finger, and just blend it really carefully into the corner just to lighten things up. I actually met one of the co-founders of Glimzy at a pageant 2 years ago. We both competed in Miss Teen World America at the same time. And I remember her from the pageant being super kind to everyone and very driven, so I'm not surprised at all that she started a business. This is really impressive for anyone, especially a college student. So I'm gonna go put on eyeliner and do my face makeup, and then I'll be back to finish off my eyes. So I went ahead and did my face makeup, and now I'm gonna work on the lower lash line. So I'm gonna use the matte brown shade on a pencil brush and just smoke that out. They just started mowing outside, so you hear a sound, that's what it is. Next I'm taking the shimmery purple shade and just going over the matte brown, but not smoking it out as much. I've really liked putting shimmer shades on my lower lash line lately. I think it makes your eyes look really sparkly and like dewy. And I'm just gonna put on mascara and lipstick. Okay, I just thought of something. I think I could probably use this on my waterline to tight line, but I'm not really sure. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, so this is the final look. I really like it. I think it's very good for something if you want to be like natural, but you still want to have makeup on, maybe for like dinner or something. By the way, for lipstick, I use the Glossier lipstick in the color Like, and then some L'Oreal lipstick in the color Bronze Coin. Overall, I'm super impressed with my Glimzy box. Usually whenever I get a subscription box, there's at least one thing that I just really don't like and will never use. But I can honestly say that I will use every single one of these products again, for sure. If I had to pick a favorite though, I think I would pick the eyeshadow palette, which is really interesting because I thought I wouldn't like it just because I didn't think I would like the dark shimmer, but I'm actually in love with it. Again, this was the Glimzy Birthday Bash box and it's still available on the Glimzy website. I'll leave all of their information down below. It retails for $25, but with my discount code, you can get $5 off, making it only $20. And you get free shipping. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, be sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time.